Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to limit who can mention you on threads. Maybe you value your privacy and you want better control over who can mention you on the application. So today I'm going to show you how to limit who can mention you on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you will see this two lines icon. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. Within settings, look for the privacy option and tap on it. In this page, you can now see this mentions option. Simply tap on it. In this section, you will be presented with three options: everyone, profiles you follow, and no one. Select the option that suits your preferences. For example, I will select this profile you follow option. After that, you now have successfully limited who can mention you on threads. Now, only your followers will be able to mention you in threads, providing you with a more secure and controlled experience. There you go. If you wanted to know how to limit who can mention you on threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to limit who can mention you on threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.